Skadar Lake is located on the border between Montenegro and Albania and is the largest lake in the southeastern Europe. In 1995, it was inscribed on the Ramsar list, the world's list of wetlands of international importance. Today, it is a national park with 3 special nature reserves: Monastery Deed, Pančevo Eye and Black Grill. The symbol of Skadar Lake is the Dalmatian pelican, perhaps the world's largest freshwater bird. The local name for this marvelous bird is panac. The lake's most numerous and most important fish species are common bleak, carp, crucian carp, European chub, eels, twait, shad and mullet. The Skadar Lake National Park, with its shore, offers 9 walking and 2 educational paths, together with 5 bike trails and 2 mountain bike trails. All paths and trails are well marked, so visitors can enjoy the wonders of the natural surroundings without fear of losing their way. A boat cruise is probably the best way to explore Skadar Lake and experience its beauty and rich biodiversity.